Welcome back to Auto Premium Global. Strap in, because today we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing electric vehicle stories of the year, the 2026 Volkswagen ID.3 GTX. Let's start with the heart of the matter: performance. For our viewers in Europe, the ID.3 GTX is the electric hot hatch you've been waiting for. Volkswagen has unleashed its most powerful electric drive system to date in a compact car. We're talking about a dual-output setup. The standard GTX packs a serious punch with 210 kilowatts, that's 286 horsepower. But for the true enthusiasts, there's the GTX Performance variant, cranking out an astonishing 240 kilowatts, or 326 horsepower. This catapults the ID.3 from a polite city runabout to a machine that can hit 100 kilometers per hour in a blistering 5.7 seconds. It's a proper return to form for the GTI legacy, but fully electric. Paired with a large 79 kilowatt-hour net battery, it promises a WLTP range of nearly 600 kilometers, blending supercar-like acceleration with everyday usability. But here's where the plot thickens. For our audience in markets like China, the GTX badge tells a slightly different, yet still compelling, story. There, it's offered as a GTX Kit version. This model focuses more on dramatic style than on doubling the motor output. It retains the single 170 PS rear motor but gets absolutely dripping with aggressive styling kits. We're talking glossy black diamond mesh front and rear bumpers, sleek side skirts, a contrasting black roof, and standard 20-inch alloy wheels. Inside, it's a premium experience with suede-like Alcantara trim, striking red stitching, and options like ventilated front seats. It's less about the raw, earth-shattering acceleration and more about owning the most stylish and well-appointed ID.3 on the road. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 ID.3 GTX is a tale of two philosophies. In one corner, a no-holds-barred electric hot hatch ready to challenge the establishment. In the other, a supremely stylish and feature-packed tech flagship that makes a bold design statement. Either way, Volkswagen is proving that electric cars can be full of character, performance, and desire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a drop of premium automotive content. This is Auto Premium Global, signing off. Drive passionate, everyone.